Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In our today's video, we will discuss the 10 best web hosting services in 2023. So let's get started. A website is essential to build and grow a business today, and web hosting is a crucial part of the building a quality website. With so many different providers and plans on the market, choosing a web host can be daunting. So make your decision easier with narrow down to the 10 best web hosting services based on key features that matter most. We select these services based on the price, performance, security and extra such as free domain name and free business email. So let's discuss why you can trust Forbes Advisor Small Business. We can leave this topic and comes to the main topic, the 10 best website hosting services of 2023. The number one is Inus, best for startups. HostGator, best perks. Bluehost, best for new websites. DreamHost, best for WordPress beginners. InMotion Hosting, best for reliability. MochaHost, best for lifetime SSL certificate. GoDaddy, best for easy site setup. HostWinds, best for content heavy site. InterServer, best for website security. TMD Hosting, best for fast growing business. Here are the links for the websites. You can visit these websites and see their pricing. What is web hosting? Web hosting is the service that allows anyone to essentially rent space on the internet, and website must have web hosting in order to be accessible online. Some content management systems such as Squarespace and Wix include web hosting as part of their mainly fee, whereas if you are building a site on WordPress, you will need to purchase web hosting from a web hosting provider such as MochaHost or Inus. How does web hosting works? Think of web hosting as a process of finding your website a home. The content of your website, the domain name, HTML code, image, text and so on all needs a place to live. Web hosting provides a place for this content to live on a server. In short, the server is a computer that connects user to your website. In other words, the server is like a large condo building or office building, and web hosting is the process of renting office space or buying condo in that building. Website hosting versus domain hosting. Before you can find a home for your website via web hosting, you will first need a domain name. While related web hosting and domain hosting are very different services, web hosting is the process of connecting your website to a service, whereas the domain hosting is the process of securing a domain name or web address for your website. Following our earlier analog, if a website hosting is akin to rent space in building, then domain hosting is like putting a nameplate outside your door with your name and address. The domain is what people use to navigate to your address on the internet. Many service providers, both domain hosting and web hosting, which can provide one-stop shop convenient, but depending on your needs you may want to consider separate the service. Regardless, before you can even consider web hosting, you first need a domain name via domain register. How to choose the best web hosting services for you? When choosing the best web hosting service, consider factors such as pricing, storage space and bandwidth limit, customer service, server location options, security features and whether it has automatic backups. Another thing you need to consider it is scalability. Migrating a website, even when a website hosting service does it for you, is not an easy task. Does the host offer a wide range of options that will scale with your site? Additionally, how easy it is your web host to use? Essential web hosting features. We recommend that you look for a web hosting provided with the following key features regardless of your specific website needs: reliability and performance, security, customer service, storage and bandwidth, backups. Ease of use. Look for a web hosting provider with an intuitive user interface and control panel. This will save you time in the long run of your need to make changes or update to your website. A good web host should offer one-click installation for popular content management systems such as WordPress or Drupal, and drag and drop website building if you are not comfortable with coding. Scalability. Finally, it's important to consider scalability when choosing a web hosting service. How will you grow your business in the future? Will you host service be able to keep up with your growth? Does the host offer an easy way to scale up, such as offering VPS and dedicating hosting options? A good web host should be able to handle and growth of your website. Similarly, if you are taking a break for a while, can you drop it to the lower tier plan? So guys, this was a video about the website hosting. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.